Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're diving into the upcoming 2026 Toyota camper van, a vehicle that blends practicality, adventure, and modern engineering into one seriously impressive package. Toyota has a long history of creating reliable workhorses, but this camper van pushes that legacy into the future with a design that's both rugged and refined. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota camper van shows off clean lines, a bold front fascia, and an aerodynamic profile that helps with efficiency on long road trips. The LED lighting signature gives it a premium look, while the raised stance and durable cladding make it clear that this van is built for everything from highways to off-grid trails. Toyota also designed the exterior with adventure in mind, offering roof rack mounting points, sliding side doors, and a rear hatch that opens wide for easy access to gear, supplies, or your home-on-wheels setup. Under the hood, the performance of the Toyota camper van is focused on smooth power delivery and dependable capability. It's expected to feature a hybrid powertrain that combines gasoline efficiency with electric torque, making it ideal for both city driving and long-distance touring. The ride is tuned for comfort, but it still has enough strength to tow small trailers or haul outdoor equipment. Toyota's traction management systems also help ensure stability when the road gets rough, giving you confidence whether you're cruising on asphalt or exploring dirt paths. Inside the camper van, Toyota has created a cozy yet functional environment designed for extended travel. The cabin features high-quality materials, clever storage areas, and seating that can easily convert into sleeping arrangements. A compact kitchenette setup, complete with a small fridge, portable cooktop, and modular counter space, makes meal prep on the go simple. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and the rear living area transforms into a comfortable lounge where you can relax after a long day of exploring. One of the most unique features of the 2026 Toyota camper van is its smart technology integration. You get a large infotainment display with navigation optimized for camping routes, plus wireless connectivity for controlling interior lights, climate settings, and battery usage. Solar panel support on the roof helps keep essential electronics powered during remote trips. Toyota also includes multiple charging ports, water level indicators, and safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance to give you peace of mind on every journey. What truly sets this camper van apart is how it brings convenience and adventure together. Whether you're planning a family road trip, weekend getaway, or long-term van life journey, the 2026 Toyota camper van is built to make the experience smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. It's designed for the modern traveler who wants both comfort and capability without compromising on reliability. With thoughtful engineering and a focus on real-world usability, Toyota has created a camper van that feels ready for every kind of journey.